Merry Christmas everyone and a Happy New Year. I hope you're enjoying it. I am. Got some nice little presents for my wife and my family. Really enjoying it, but just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone that watches my channel and a bigger thank you to everyone that subscribes. Did you know I have over 1 million views on my videos and yet I've only got about 3,500 subscribers? Why is that? Let me know in the comments what you think. So yeah, I just wanted to thank everyone that subscribes to my channel and everyone that watches my videos. I do appreciate it. It does help the channel to keep on growing and I'm looking forward to 2022. Hopefully you too. So with that, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, see you in the future, or see you next year. Merry Christmas.